Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll show you how to cook carrots in a microwave. So all we need is carrots and a little bit of water and a microwave safe dish. I'm going to use baby carrots, so there's no need to peel them. If you're using regular carrots and you need to peel them and just cut them into pieces. So I'm going to put baby carrots in a microwave safe dish. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to cover the dish, so you can either use a microwave safe dish cover or I'm going to use a plate. And now let's put it in a microwave. And I will put it on 6 minutes on high. So now the microwave has finished cooking. So be careful, this is very hot, so just check the carrot, pierce it with a fork and see if it's tender enough to your liking. So they're tender, but they're still a little bit crisp, and that's exactly how I want them. If you want them more mushy, just cook for a few more minutes. So just cook them until desired tenderness. And now I'm going to remove them because I like the way they are right now. And here are perfectly cooked carrots. So now I'm going to remove them. So see these tops, if they look a little bit dry, you can just mix it and cover them with water. And now they look much better, don't look dry anymore. So now let's take it out. So I'm going to use a spoon to remove carrots and leave water in a dish. Perfect. Here are perfectly steamed carrots done in a microwave. They look amazing. So easy to make, healthy and delicious. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. So let me just cut it. So see, it cuts so easily. And let's try. So good. Perfectly cooked tender carrots. You'll love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!